SPY right here. Still can't break the 601. Pulling back. It just keeps fighting this range.
There is a pull in the market, coach.
I see it.
And Tesla is still going down.
Thank you. SPY now below the 21. Fighting. See if that's support. I'm in those short on SPY and ES futures. I'm trading futures right now.
NVIDIA failure at double top.
Thank you. Nice pull right here on SPY and ES futures.
Everything is pulling, coach.
Yeah,
Everything.
Yep, it's beautiful. Beautiful. Who got in on that SPY double top with me up here?
I did.
Nice job.
Doing it through Google. Thank you.
Thank you. That's right here. Nice. Good job. Protect the trade. This is ES futures right here. Nice pull. See if this has got more to come down to the 200 off the 1 minute. There's SPY's real close. Moving my stop in case you get a bounce off SPY. See how the SPY's sitting on the 200 right here? So this is a bounce zone, right? Ladies and gentlemen, yes?
Yes.
Thank
Yes.
you. So I move my stop tighter in case it bounces, collect my money, look for re-entry. There it is. Took my money, $100 trade, bounced exactly on the 200. If it pulls below the 200, I'll look for another trade on it. Watching SPY here now on the 200. This is support. This is support. I'm actually going to long this, and I should have did it a second ago. Sitting flat right here. Needs to stay above the 200 to get a bounce. Otherwise, I'll flip the script and go the other way.
Huge pull on Tesla and Microsoft still.
Thank you. Oh, SPY still heavy. Super heavy. You see that?
Oh, yeah.
I see it break here. Watching ES and SPY futures here. See if this will stay below the 200. Oh, there it goes. Nice and heavy. There goes the bleed out below the 200. Nice job, everybody. Who's getting paid on that? Still off the double top.
I am.
Thank you.
Google. Thank you, Coach.
Thank you. Nice job. Good job.
Come on, go SPY.
Amazon pulling pretty hard, breaking through the cloud.
Thank you.